All right, chat. Special treat here today. I have a Giant Sequoia Grow Kit. So I bought some Sequoia seeds, and I think they're all dead seeds. So I got this. Let's give it a try. Maybe I've been trying to grow them wrong. But we'll see. Let's see what this comes with, and let's see how you open it, right? Looks like a pop top. Okay, cool. All right. Let's see what's in here. Growing a tree from a seed instruction booklet. Alright, looks like a cool pamphlet. Number 1, take off the cap. Number 2, add water. 3, add my seeds. 4, put your pebbles in. Alright, cool. Put it in the refrigerator for 20 days? What? No wonder they haven't been growing. I've been putting them in the heat. Okay, so. Let's go. Alright, we've been doing that wrong, chat. Okay. Remove the clear top cap. Alright. Clear top cap is off. Okay, and these seeds look much different from the ones I had as well. Maybe I had the wrong seeds? Maybe they sent the wrong kind of stuff? Ooh, hold on, let me go get a... I don't have any more play mats, darn it. Okay, well, looks like we'll get this a little dirty. Alright, what do we have here? This looks like some type of soil. Okay. And looks like these will be white rocks, right? Okay. Probably this is not the best place to be making this happen, right? Okay. Alright, step 1. Remove cap. Alright. The top cap from your mini greenhouse and empty the bag of soil to the bottom. Alright, you know what? I'll be right back, chat. Right back. Alright, chat. We are back. And I have a fucking little tray. Alright, soil. Alright, so. Luckily I can prepare, right? With scissors and shit, huh? Okay. The bag of soil is open. Now I'm going to pour it into this thingy and try not to spill that much. Okay. Oh shit, there's still a lot in there. Damn it, dude. Cut my hole just a little too big, huh? I can do that right there. Okay, cool. Alright, there we go. Gently add water. Alright, we are adding water. Until the soil is well saturated, right? Okay, this should well saturate it. Spin it around. Let it leak out, right? Good thing about this is I could reuse the water right here. Damn, that's a lot of water. Alright, so I'm just going to pour it back in. There, it is well saturated. Okay. So now, what do we do? Oh, I'm sorry for the gym. Alright. Alright, time to grow. Carefully open my bag of seeds. Okay, carefully open my bag of seeds, right? Carefully opened. There we go. Okay. Okay. We are gonna drop all our seeds into the middle. Okay, they're all in there. And you know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna add some water, right? Okay, so put them in the middle. Make sure they're in there. Okay, cool. Place them down. We got some water. Alright, what is the final step here? Place the pebbles. These are not pebbles. This is like fucking recycled whatever. Recycled foam. Okay, so now let's open our mini greenhouse. All right. Place the cap back on, and then we're gonna throw it into the refrigerator for 20 days, chat. 20 days. After that, we're gonna place it in a warm climate and see how they grow. All right, thanks for watching, and check the comments for how to grow your giant fucking sequoia tree. All right, chat. See ya.